Millions of people suffer from sciatic nerve pain, a burning, stabbing, or radiating discomfort that starts in the lower back and shoots down the leg. But what if the real cause isn't in your spine at all? A new wave of research, now part of the Science 2025 initiative, has revealed a surprising connection between gut inflammation and nerve degeneration. According to recent clinical reports, chronic inflammation may silently disrupt the nervous system, blocking the body's ability to regenerate nerve tissue. This explains why so many treatments fail. They only mask the symptoms. They don't address the root cause. But now, a new nerve regeneration supplement is changing everything. Formulated with natural inflammation support compounds like magnesium glycinate, alpha lipoic acid, turmeric, and PEA, this formula is designed to calm the nervous system, reduce oxidative stress, and promote long-term nerve repair. Thousands of people are already experiencing real nerve discomfort relief. They report better sleep, improved mobility, and a renewed sense of energy, often within just a few weeks. This isn't a temporary fix. It's a science-based solution that targets the underlying inflammation and supports your body's natural healing process without pills, injections, or side effects. If you've been searching for a way to relieve sciatic nerve pain and restore your quality of life, this may be the breakthrough you've been waiting for. Now that you've seen how this nerve regeneration supplement works and why it's part of the Science 2025 initiative, you can explore the published research and decide if this natural inflammation support is right for you. Access the scientific studies and clinical data behind this formula and see why researchers are calling it a breakthrough in nerve health.